Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts. This protects electronics and keeps you safe. Once done, open the bonnet and remove the plastic cover or trim around the headlamp area using trim tools and gloves. Remove the dust cap or access cover behind the headlamp assembly and unplug the electrical connector from the bulb. Press the release tab as you pull. Make sure to lay removed parts in order so reassembly is straightforward and nothing gets lost. Once the connector is off, release the retaining clip or twist the lock that secures the bulb. This frees the lamp without forcing plastic. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out. If it's a halogen, avoid touching the glass because oils shorten bulb life. Install the new bulb by aligning its tabs and seating it fully in the socket, then fasten the clip or twist the lock until it clicks. Reconnect the electrical plug and briefly reconnect the battery to test the light before final reassembly. You reattach the dust cover and trim, ensuring all clips and screws are secured so moisture can't enter the assembly. Reconnect the battery, then test both low and high beams to confirm functionality. If the beam pattern looks off, park 3 to 4 meters from a wall and adjust the headlamp aim screws until the cutoff and center match manufacturer spec. This prevents dazzling other drivers. If the lamp still fails, check fuses, the connector for corrosion, and verify bulb type compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.